Are you okay?
Oga.
So videos like this make you think about your place and your state in Nigeria, in this country. Just look at this video where a police officer comfortably was telling a Nigerian that he was lucky that he's not an Igbo person, that if he was an Igbo person that he would have detained him. Can you imagine a tribalist masquerading as a police officer, a tribalist, an ethnic irredentist, a tribalist wearing the Nigerian police uniform, exhibiting stupidity? Can you imagine a Nigerian police officer comfortably saying that if somebody was an Igbo, that he would have detained him, he would have dealt with him, he would have messed up with him? Can you imagine the kind of country we went to? Can you imagine the kind of characters we have in Nigerian police force? Look at the people manning the architecture, security architecture of this country. He asked him for bribe, money, to give you money. He said he doesn't have money to give you. You checked all his papers, including his driving license, everything intact. You now said that if he was an Igbo, that he would have dealt with him. Okay, I want to challenge you that you can't do anything. You cannot do anything to an Igbo man. You can't do any nonsense. I am proud to be Igbo. And I know that every Igbo person, whether man or woman, child, speaking, is proud to be Igbo. Igbo are the most industrious people on earth. Igbo are the most intelligent people on earth. Igbos are the most hardworking people in this world. We have committed no sin. The only sin we have committed is that we are hardworking. The only sin we have committed is that we are enterprising. The only sin we have committed is that we are go-getters. So there is nothing wrong in being an Igbo. Everything is right for being an Igbo. God who made us Igbo is a perfect God. You cannot gaslight us. You have no capacity to gaslight us. Look at you. Look at a police officer, look at how hungry looking that you are. You have the guts. You have the guts to turn down on the most enterprising tribe in the whole world. So I want to use this opportunity to call on the Inspector General of Police. Are you okay?
Oga. Sorry?
He came from America.
Came from UK. I'm the owner, yes.
UK.
Yes. I'm living in Accra. Okay. Sorry?
I'll do better to me.
I don't have anything down. I don't have anything. I would have given you.
I just want to see you are very close. That's all. With another person, or Igbo, or just one.
I don't get anything. That's why. If I get, I will give you now. Can I have my driving license here? What can I do now? What can I do? I just park. You know, tell me what can I do now, guy? No, check my driving license, check my documents. So make I do that. So make I do that thing now.
Yes, sir.
You are with my driving license now. The way be of the invoice. Yeah, even if I park. Huh? No, don't worry. Okay. The way be of
what you say she not do. Are you telling him to?
It's your officer like you. That's why I said you should not worry. That I will talk to you.
No, let him talk now.
All right. So the way bill.
Everybody can talk.
The way bill is not there. I have the custom paper there. Those load came with the car.
That's why I requested for the custom paper so that I can see maybe all those items was itemized and examined.
But is it supposed to be list one after the other, all those custom papers?
Yes.
Really?
What are? I do check custom paper now.
Okay.
So if
do your job properly. You have my driving license here. I'm recording you. To let you know, I'm recording you right now. So can I have my driving license? Check your paper and then let's go. Better. Okay. Don't shout. Leave him. I'll go in on record. But I've already told you. You have my paper. My paper is correct. Everything is there. You are with my driving license. I haven't committed any offense.
I know.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Oga. Oga.
He hasn't got to that level.
He hasn't got to that level.
So I want to use this opportunity to call on the Inspector General of Police to call for a probe into this man's action. Arrest, investigate, and dismiss him from the Nigerian Police Force and prosecute him. Nigeria cannot be. Nigerian Police Force cannot be accommodating these kind of characters. Look at them, two of them. Disparading, ridiculing the image of the Nigerian Police Force. We are wearing a national cloth, a cloth of patriotism, national unity, and you have the temerity. You have the temerity to be tribal and to pick on the most industrious, the most pragmatic, the most sagacious tribe in the history of the world. Nonsense.
Stand for Humanity Foundation.